Okay, so now let us see some previous year GATE questions, GATE numericals. Okay. So I have seen last from 2001 to 2020, very easy questions have been asked. I am not going to discuss those questions. What are the questions? Determine E, right? Determine ET means long-term modulus of elasticity. We have already discussed, right? The questions are determine the direct tensile strength, right? It is given by 0.7 root FCK. So directly formula based questions are asked. Okay, and some very easy theoretical questions have been asked. Okay, now this question I like, that's why I'm discussing it. This is the only question which I felt that it should be discussed. Otherwise, there is no question which has to be discussed. Very easy questions, right? Now, the question is, it came in GATE 2006. The question is, if the characteristic strength, of concrete, which is FCK, is defined as the strength below which not more than 50% of test results are expected to fall. Full stop. The final expression for FCK in terms of mean strength, which is FCM, and standard deviation. The standard notation is, which is given in code, is sigma, right? But here it is saying that the standard deviation S, right, would be what? FCM minus 1.65 S, FCM plus 1.65 S, or FCM minus 0.165 S, right? If you have listened to my lectures very carefully, you can easily answer it. I have already told you that such type of questions can be asked, and when I was going through previous questions of GATE, I found this question luckily, right? And this type of questions can be asked in next successive years also. Okay, right? So I told you that what is characteristic strength below which not more than 5% of the results are expected to fall, right? So let us say this is number of samples, right? And this is your strength. So the graph was like this. It was a bell-shaped curve known as the normal distribution curve. So this was your FCK. This was your mean strength, which was denoted by FM. Here it is FCM. It doesn't matter. Okay. Okay. This was the final strength. Okay. Now, from this graph, Fm is equals to FCK plus 1.65 times of sigma. But here, what was FCK? Below which not more than 5% of the results are expected to fall. 5%. That is the standard definition of FCK. But here it has changed the definition. What is it is saying? It is saying that FCK is defined as a strength below which not more than 50%. And what is the property of normal distribution curve? That the area on the left hand side is 50% and area on the right hand side of the mean strength is also 50%. So if it is saying that not more than 50% test results are expected to fall, consider it to be as your FCK, characteristic strength. It means that it is saying that shift FCK from this location to the mean location to this location. So it is saying that this is now your FCK. If this is my FCK, it is saying that what is the relation of FCK in terms of mean strength and standard deviation. So my dear friends, my dear students, what will the relation? Now FCK will become equal to the mean strength. Simple, because mean strength, he has not given any definition. Mean strength will be the same, but it is saying that let FCK will be equal to below which not more than 50% of the results are expected to fall, right? It means that it is saying that FCK has shifted its location to FCM. Now FCK has become equal to FCM. So this was the only concept, right? And in previous year, a very easy questions have been asked, right? If you listen to my lecture again and again, then I don't think that any question which you will not be able to solve, right? Whether it is numerical, whether it is theoretical, or any question, right? Only this was a question which I thought that it should be discussed in the lecture. So this was the question I have already discussed, right? In the next video, what I think that these types of questions can come in GATE examination. What is my analysis? Okay, so that we are going to discuss. Thank you.